Hi, students and families. Miss Long here. One of our assignments this week is to get signed up with Epic Books. The instructions for this can be found in our Microsoft Teams in our assignments, and attached you will find this exact PDF file that gives you the directions for here. If you're on your school laptop, you can go to www.getepic.com/students. It will ask you to enter this class code here, and then you can find your name, and that will sign students up. Students can also access this from an iPad or a tablet, and or a iPhone or a Android phone. In order to do that, though, you will need to download the Epic app onto your device, and then it'll ask you to enter your class code and then find their name. So you can see the directions here. This is how students are going to be able to access a whole library of books online. They will need access to Epic Books this week in order to complete our other assignments. So please use this as a tutorial to get your students on Epic Books. Thank you.